Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. Once again I am back with another video based on German newspaper reading. As you can see, this is the article I have taken from one of the online newspaper. So we'll see here some important vocabulary, words and the grammar structures. That is very important for a learner. So now we'll look at the headline. Impfpflicht im Gesundheitswesen. Impfpflicht means Impfen means vaccination. Now the coronavirus Omicron is the hot topic nowadays. So I'm going to discuss about all these things because it's a very hot topic, a topic that we need to discuss about and we need to get some more awareness about the vocabulary and the words related to this Omicron, coronavirus, health sector, and all these things. Impfpflicht. So there are two words, impf and pflicht means vaccination, compulsory. Pflicht means something which is compulsory, okay, which is mandatory, you can say. So Impfpflicht, compulsory vaccination im Gesundheitswesen. I have underlined. Gesundheitswesen means healthcare sector. So compulsory vaccination in the healthcare sector. Was sich für Betroffene am 16. März ändert? What going to be changed? For Betroffene means for the concerned person who are working in this healthcare sector, what is going to be changed on 16th March? Ändert means change. What is going to be changed for those people, for Betroffene, for all those who are concerned in this sector? Gesundheitswesen. Okay, Gesundheitswesen. You know Gesundheit, health. Gesundheitswesen means healthcare sector, health workers. So it's all related to these people. Now we'll read in detail what it is all about. Okay, this is an article from Sunday 23rd Jan 2022. Am 16. März tritt die einrichtungsbezogene Impfpflicht in Kraft. So there is a structure in Kraft treten. In Kraft treten means something that is going to apply, that is going to come into force. So on 16th March, this is going to come into effect. That Einrichtungsbezogene Impfpflicht. Einrichtungsbezogene means establishment, healthcare establishment. Okay, there is a compulsory vaccination is going to come into effect. So it's a very good structure in Kraft treten. Please note down, in Kraft treten means something that comes into effect. So this is about the Impfpflicht, obligatories. Okay, we say mandatory vaccination for the healthcare workers. Wer im Gesundheitswesen arbeitet, muss ab diesem Datum nachweisen, dass er geimpft, genesen oder unimpfbar ist. Now, what does it mean? Where means whosoever is working in this healthcare sector, Gesundheitswesen. You see where and the workplace is last arbeitet. This is the way of writing. Whosoever is working in healthcare sector must, again start with the verb, must ab diesem Datum nachweisen. Up means onwards. From this date, he needs to prove, he needs to show. Nachweisen means to show, to give evidence that er geimpft, that he has got vaccination. Genesen, he is healthy, okay, he is no more COVID patient. Or unimpfbar, okay, he got vaccinated, he is healthy. So all those people who are working in healthcare sector must prove, must show the proof or must give evidence from this date, which is 16th March, that they are healthy, okay, they have taken vaccination. Was bedeutet die neue Regelung für Betroffene? What mean? Bedeuten means what mean? What does it mean? The new rules and regulation. Regelung means rules and regulation. So what does this mean? What this rule means for Betroffene means for the concerned person. Here Betroffene means all those health workers, okay? All those people who are working in healthcare sectors. Ein Überblick, an overview. Überblick, overview. Okay, now we'll see. Während der Bundestag am 26. Januar über eine allgemeine Impfpflicht debattiert, gibt es in Deutschland bereits einen Bereich, in dem die Corona-Schutzimpfung obligatorisch wird. Das Gesundheitswesen. Look at the sentence start with während. Während means on one hand. On one hand, the German parliament, Bundestag, the German parliament. On one hand, the German parliament is debating on 26 January over an ordinary vaccine compulsion, okay, compulsory vaccination. On other hand, there is in Germany already one sector, einen Bereich, one domain, one sector, one area in which the Corona-Schutzimpfung obligatorisch wird, in which the vaccination that prevents Corona. Okay, Schutzimpfung means prevention vaccination. Vaccination we take for the prevention. Okay, so Schutzimpfung, preventive vaccination, is going to be obligatorisch, is going to be mandatory, compulsory, and that sector is Gesundheitswesen, healthcare sector. So in these three lines, they are basically talking about that. On one hand, the German parliament is going to debate over the compulsory vaccination. On other hand, there is one sector already which is going to implement it, okay, compulsory vaccination for its workers, and that is Gesundheitswesen, healthcare sector, hospitals, old age homes, any such establishment that looks after the health. Second paragraph. Ab dem 16. März müssen alle Mitarbeiter von Krankenhäusern, Altenheimen und anderen medizinischen Einrichtungen geimpft oder genesen sein. Ab means onwards, from 16th March, all workers, Mitarbeiter, all the workers must be, okay, all the workers must get vaccination of Krankenhäusern. It's a dative. Von is dative preposition. Krankenhäusern, plural. Dative plural. We take extra n. You can see n. Health workers of hospitals, Altenheimen, old age homes, and other medical establishments. You can see here, this is all dative plural. Häusern, Altenheimen, anderen medizinischen Einrichtungen. This is all dative plural. Dative plural takes adjective ending also en. So all the workers working in hospitals, old age homes, and other medical establishment must get vaccinated. Oder genesen sein. They need to be healthy. They must be healthy, because these are very, very crucial. These people are very crucial for the nation. Okay, they are playing very important role nowadays during this pandemic. So they need to get vaccinated and they need to be perfect, healthy, so that they can help other people. Das hat der Bundestag im Dezember 2021 beschlossen. Beschlossen means decide. It's the verb beschließen. You must have seen the verb entscheiden. So similar verb, it's a synonym. Entscheiden, beschließen, and the perfect is beschlossen. So the Bundestag has decided this in the month of December last year. Ausnahmen gibt es nur aus medizinischen Gründen. Ausnahmen means exceptional. There must be some people who cannot get vaccination due to some medical reason. Medizinischen Gründen. Gründen, reason. Again, aus is a dative preposition. So exceptions there are only from the medical reasons. Due to medical reasons, there must be some exceptions. Means there are some people who cannot get vaccinated due to some serious or due to some other medical issues, medical reasons. So these people will be exception. Ausnahmen, exception. So I hope you like it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such updates. And you must be watching us on live German speaking skills. Every day I upload and I mention the timing in the community. So you can watch the timing and you can join us live for German speaking. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.